Hello dear student. Now we are going to discuss the problems on discount. It means the debenture problem on discount. When the debenture are issued by the companies on the basis of the discount to the debenture holders. We know about the debenture at par, debenture at premium and debenture at discount. So these discount and the premium are issued when the debenture are issued to the debenture holders. In the time of the allotment time only, the companies are issuing the premium and the discount of the debentures. So we have one problem here. See the problem. Arpita Company Limited issued 4,008% debenture of rupees 100 each at a discount of 10% payable as follows. Rupees 20 on application, rupees 20 on allotment, rupees 50 on first and final call. All the debenture were subscribed and the monies were duly received. Pass the journal entries and show the ledger accounts and prepare balance sheet. So this is your problem. So in this problem, the face value of the debenture is 100 rupees, but the companies are issued that debenture to the debenture holders as 10% discount. It means the value of the debenture is only for the 90 rupees because the 10% is the discount out of the face value 100 rupees. See, the face value is 100. The debenture value right now is 20 on application, 20 on allotment and 50 on first and final call. The total amount of the debenture is right now is 90 rupees because the 10% is the discount values. The interest of the debenture here is 8%. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಕಂಪನಿ ಟೋಟಲಿ 4,000 ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ ನ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಗಳಿಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ಸ್ ಗಳಿಗೆ. ಟೋಟಲ್ 4,000 ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ದ ರೇಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ ಇಸ್ 8%. ಆ ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ ಗೆ ಅವರು 8% ಬಡ್ಡಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಫೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ 100 ರೂಪೀಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಅವರು ಕಂಪನಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ ನ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 10%. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲಿ 100 ರೂಪೀಸ್ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಫೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಅವರು 90 ರೂಪೀಸ್ಗೆ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಅವ್ರ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 20 ಆನ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳುವಾಗಲೇ ಅವರು 20 ರೂಪೀಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಲಾಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 20 ರೂಪೀಸ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ ಮತ್ತು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು 50 ರೂಪೀಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಟೋಟಲ್ 90 ರೂಪೀಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಕಂಪನಿ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ದ ಆಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ ಈಸ್ 100 rupees. The companies are issuing that particular 100 rupees face value of the debenture is to the 90 rupees only to the publics. Understood? So this is the problem. In this problem we have to prepare the journal entries, ledger entries and the balance sheets. Okay? So what will be happen when the application is given to the debenture holders or the publics? First of all, the companies are getting the amount for the purpose of the application. So the bank account is debited to the debenture application account. After that, we are transferring that application to the debenture account. That means debenture application account is debited to the debenture account. Understood? Next, when the allotment is made, in that time the companies are issuing the discount to the debenture holders. What will be happen? The debenture allotment account debited, discount on issue of debenture account is debited to the debenture account. Understood? 8% debenture account. After that, they are collecting the amount from the debenture holders when the allotment is made. So in that time the bank account is debited to the debenture allotment account. After that, the first and final call is made. In that time, the first and final call account is debited to 8% debenture account. After that, they are collecting the amount. Bank account is debited to the debenture first and final call account. That's all. The journal entries are completed. After that, we have to prepare the ledger entries of application account, allotment account, discount on issue of debenture account, and debenture account, and first and final call account. After that, the bank or cash account. So then we are preparing the balance sheet. So this is the solution for the particular problems. Okay, now we are going to prepare the journal entries for the particular problem. Okay, now so this is the format of journal entry. First of all, the companies are issuing the application to the public for acquiring the debentures. So here the application money is application for ₹20, allotment for ₹20, first and final call is ₹50. Then 10% is discount. Understood? It means the companies are issuing the 10% discount, that is ₹10. Okay. Now, first of all, issuing the application. Therefore, bank account debited to 8% debenture application account. 8% debenture application account. The total number of debenture is 4,000 into 20. Therefore, 80,000. 80,000 being debenture application money is received. After that, we are transferring the debenture application amount to the debenture account. Therefore, debenture application account debited to 8% debenture account. Therefore, 4,000 debenture into 20. We will transfer the debenture application amount to the debenture account. Therefore, 80,000 being transfer of debenture application amount to the debenture account. Understood? So this is the first entry when the application is given to the debenture holder. So bank account is debited to 8% debenture application account. After that, we will transfer that application amount to the debenture account. So debenture application account debited to 8% debenture account. Understood? That is, the application is given to the debentures. After that, allotment is made. In that time, debenture allotment account is debited, discount on issue of debenture account is debited to debenture account, 8% debenture account. After that, we are collecting the amount. Okay. So when the allotment is made, second entry, when the allotment is made, prepare the other entry. Okay. When the allotment is made, in that time, debenture allotment account debited. Next, discount also given in this problem. Therefore, discount on issue of debenture account debited, because discount is losses for the business, so the discount account is debited. When the companies are issuing the debenture on the basis of the premium is credited, because the premium is the income for the business, so premium account is credited. But discount is losses for the business. ₹100 ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ ನ ₹90 ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ₹10 ಏನಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಪನಿಗೆ ಲಾಸಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸೊ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಟು 8% debenture account. So total how much? Allotment is ₹20. Therefore 4,000 debenture into 20 is equal to 80,000. Allotment amount is 80,000. Then 10% discount means 4,000 into ₹10. total 100 rupees face value, 10% discount means 10 rupees. So therefore 4,000, sorry 40,000. The total debenture account is transfer ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ 1,20,000 amount actually transfer ಆಗಬೇಕಿತ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನರೇಶನ್ being debenture allotment is made including discount of 10% on 4,000 debentures. Okay, after that they are collecting the amount from the debenture holders. In that time the bank account is debited to debenture allotment account. How much? 4,000 debenture into 20 rupees only. So discount ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ, only for debenture amount ಅನ್ನ ಅಥವಾ allotment amount ಅನ್ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತೇವೆ. That is 80,000 being allotment money is received. Being debenture allotment money is received. Okay, being debenture allotment money is received. So this is the allotment is made journal entries. Understood? Allotment ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ ಅಲಾಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೆಬಿಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟೆಡ್ ಟು 8% ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು. Understood? Now, and the last one is first and final call is made. First and final call made ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, debenture first and final call account is debited to 8% debenture account. After that we are receiving the first and final call money, so bank account is debited to first and final call account. That's all. So first debenture first and final call account, debenture first and final call account debited to 8% debenture account. That is 4,000 debenture. First and final call amount is 50. Therefore 90,000. 90,000. Sorry. 2 lakh. 2 lakh. 2 lakh.